fellow, I can say fourth auto fellow is there from last 20 years. They are not allowing any other auto fellow to come in that area. What they do, they just come and grab the customer's bag inside hand and remove the money whatever they have. Now one more problem is coming on the street. Some boys, girls and all, they come in the evening with the drugs addict, something they are smelling or something, and they touch the customer. I am Secretary of Commercial Street Association. My association is from last 80 years old. We take care of all commercial street shoppers and whatever the problem, small problem, big problem, we take care of that. We take help of all the police, even the traffic and the law and order, BBMP and everyone. So the main thing is our commercial street is a destination for the shopping for all the international and the local customers and all over India. Everyone is come to commercial street. So the commercial street is a hawkers free zone, beggars free zones, everything is there, and we also provided private security to the commercial street. We have small problems. We don't have a major problem because I know that everyone is helping us, even all the department, BBMP, Smart City, police and all. So, but I have a very small problems. The basic major problem is for the commercial street entrance and the end of the commercial street auto. We are this auto free zone on the commercial street, and there is no auto stand on the entrance of the commercial street, even the ending of the commercial street. The auto drivers are harassing the customers lot. They are asking whatever the money they want, and the money also customer wants to pay, but they are denying to go anywhere and all. Even the end of the commercial street, 2-3 auto fellow, I can say 4 auto fellow is there from last 20 years. They are not allowing any other auto fellow to come in that area, and they are harassing like anything. If any customer wants to go to MG Road, they take you to Cunningham Road to other shops and all, and they say abusing the customers. A lot of problem is there. So I just want to take care of this two entrance and the end of the commercial street, the auto fellow. From the morning and the evening 6 o'clock, they come and pile up the lot of autos and all. So there is a lot of difficulty to come the vehicles inside the street. Second problem is the transgender. We have a private security, we don't allow them to come on the street. But transgender is forcefully they come. Even that we call to police station, the police person will come and all help us. What they do, they just come and grab the customer's bag inside hand and remove the money whatever they have. Or customer wants to give some money, just they take out the purse and give some money. They take out all the money and go. They come with the the UPI payment also, and they forcefully take the mobile and do the UPI payment if you don't have a change. So this is the very big problem for us, and they harass anything. Now one more problem is coming on the street. Some boys, girls and all, they come in the evening with the drugs addict, something they are smelling or something, and they touch the customer. They are not having a good clothes and all. They are very bad shape, and they harass the customer a lot. So what happened is spoiling our street image. We want to take whatever the customer is coming, international customer or the all over India. So it's a very difficult task to us, and even the police also, because we cannot control them. They come in the by lanes, they come by this. So if we chase them for some time, I think they will not come. So we are also doing the thing, but I need your help to do. And basically, main problem for the auto vendor. Please take care of that.